Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board uba Lambor Malnyang ulayatu pa ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kan salik biang Delhi hadian ka Christmas ban penbor ya ka Sorkar Pedeng ban pentrekam da ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation khat praspa nyopulai lani ka inner line permit haka jilla Meghalaya habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor haka arpo tarik no pra arjar khat khandai uba Lambor Malnyang uba dairu MLA MDC jonga Nongkrem constituency ulayatu baka kenhun jonga MDA kan salik biang Delhi ban bot din ya ka jingdawa innerline permit hadin baka yeng dorbar tauan ka jilla kala munjur dangshen ya ka resolution ban dawa ya ka Sorkar India bakan pentrekam daga innerline permit ha ka jilla Meghalaya hadin baka Sorkar India kala wanra ya ka ain Citizenship Amendment Act arajar khat khandai ka ba penlong nongsong snong ya ki red pipe petwer nagari Bangladesh Pakistan, but Afghanistan.
My point here is the moment we see the points and views raised by Mr. Amit Shah that scheduled areas were exempted, we again rushed to Delhi to meet him, and we could meet him. We discussed about these the 3% which was left out. We have pressed on him that even the 3% should be exempted. This is the message. Well, criticism will come from different angles. We don't mind, but then we have tried our best to perform our duty. I will not say much on the NPP. Yes, people may criticize, but as far as my concern, we are very much happy with the move till date, that yes, we will work together and ensure that the 3% is left out. So on the pretext of our discussion at New Delhi, we have decided unanimously to have a special session that we will bring out this resolution by any means and get it passed on the floor of the House. You look at the case of Manipur. Manipur, they have passed the same resolution on the floor of the House in the year 2014, and again in the year 2016, again in the year 2018. And today, people of Manipur, they are very happy with the decision taken by the central government. So we were decided that it is high time for us to take a call, pass a resolution unanimously, because I want to tell you that we should also follow the lines not under pressure, but we have to also carry along the responsibility to ensure that we are safeguarded, the people of the state are safeguarded in a proper way. When you look at the whole points that was raised by Agatha Sangma on this particular subject, you have not, maybe leader of opposition, he has not gone through to the entire speech of the whole stretch of what she had debate on the floor of the House. But then she has already mentioned, I still remember, that she said that to kindly consider Meghalaya and the whole northeastern region to exempt CEA. She has mentioned that. I will not like to go in line with the leader of opposition, but my point here is I have noticed that she has, yes, given her speech, no doubt about it, and whatever she has said, that is her own personal view. And what we could see today, that the government, under the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangma, we are having our full faith. The government, this is the first of its kind that the government are in line with the demand of different organizations. We are in line with the demands of the people. So this is the first of its kind that the government are in line. But when you see in the past, the organization, they demand for this, government says no. But this is the first of its kind. I'll tell you, it's a history in the state of Meghalaya that the government are in line with the demand of the public of Meghalaya. Why do we have to bring down the government when the government trying its best to perform and safeguard the interests of the people? This is a wrong move. This is a wrong move. Yesterday they have brought the NC. That is a completely wrong move by the friends from the opposition. Yes, we don't say that there is no such rules that they cannot bring the NC. Yes, they have every right, but not at this juncture. The state is boiling. The state is burning. So how do you see that we will bring down the government when the government itself trying its best to perform and safeguard the interests of the people? I strongly don't agree on these points. We have approached, but then we have denied. We said, no, this is a time that we should work for the interests of the people. And suppose, my example, yesterday the government collapsed. Who will pass the resolution in the House? Then don't you think that the Meghalaya will burn more? If the government is brought down yesterday, who will pass this resolution in the House? Which means we all have betrayed the people of the state. So that is the reason why we have rejected the offer of the Congress party that to form an alternate government. We said no. Yes, we have opposed. Even the leader of opposition was also part of the delegation where we had met the Union Home Minister in Delhi. He was very much present. He was also part of the delegation. So I think everybody knows. It's on record. We have demanded, we said that exempt Meghalaya totally from SEBI. But the government of India has come up with their own views and ideas that, okay, the scheduled areas were exempted, but still we are not happy. That make us to again rush to Delhi and discuss again with him further. But the best part is, he has given his commitment that we will sit down just after the Christmas is over and you come up with a better mechanism. What are the mechanisms that you want to apply in your state? How to control the inflow of outsiders? He has mentioned to us on the day that we met him, the last meeting where we had with him. He has already given his commitment that we will sit down and worked out that I will give my best to protect Meghalaya. Only after the 25th of this month, and we will not delay our visit. We will have to rush immediately and inform the central government that this is the resolution was passed on the floor of the House. Yes, very soon. I will not say that ILP will be a New Year gift for Meghalaya because this it has a long process to go, you see. See, I'll tell you, Manipur, they have waited for 5 years, 5 long years. They got it today. So I don't say that we will get overnight. It has to be on the proper, we have to process in the proper way. So we cannot say overnight we'll get ILP.